Hello friends, I'm going to cook peach mango pie. And here are the ingredients. I will start by melting the butter. Then add the peaches and mangoes. It's good to slice them in small cubes. Then add the sugar and then mix well. You have to let the sugar melt. Just continue mixing. You would love the taste of the mixed mangoes and peaches. And then we have to add honey. This would make our peach mango pie more tasty. So we just have to mix this well. Do you know that honey has health benefits? It has nutrients and antioxidants. Alright, this time we have to add 1 cup of water and we have to let it boil. We just have to simmer it for a few minutes. Now let's add the diluted cornstarch to make this mixture a little sticky. Now we are done with our fillings. Alright, next we will prepare. Next, we are going to flatten the sliced bread. So you don't need to make a dough. If you have extra loaf bread, then you can use it. Now we can put the fillings. I'm sure this would be tasty and the kids would love this. Using pork, seal the edges. Then we brush it with a little butter. You do the same steps with the rest. Now it's time to fry our peach mango pie. You cook them until golden brown. This is cooked already and it looks so delicious. Peach mango pie, a great snack for everyone.